Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today we're going to present you the License 6 Dragon Kung Fu style. We're gonna do 2 times for the whole form of Dragon Kung Fu style. The first time we're gonna do the tutorial step by step and follow me for the directions with the details. So we put everything together. And the second time I gotta to do the full speed of the whole form and you got everything you need. So follow me now. If you want to check out real application for Dragon Kung Fu style, you can check the lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go now. Make your both hand become dragon claw and come up on your shoulder and go all the way, come back to your waist. And you stop your left and your both hand to make a big circle from the left to right, come back your waist and go double hand. And your both hand go down, go right side and left waist and go double claw. After that, your right hand go up above your head and you go attack down, same time your knee down and quick stand up. And you go snap kick and you land. You take out by your left, make a jump, both hands go open from down, go up, attack and turn outside, go attack again. And you quick step your right to make horse steps, go down and both hands go up and go down and go cross up above. And after that, you both hands go left and quick go to your right and come back your waist right side and you go attack with your both stand up. You quick step your right, your hand 45 up and you go attack down cross and you go attack back. And after that, so you gotta step your left and you go cross and you go attack back and quick stand up your right hand to make a circle and you make both feet together and you go knee lift left and you go low kick and come back again and you go high kick and you land and your both hand go above to cross and after that your right hand go elbow and your left hand and go elbow attack this way. Your right, your elbow from down and go up attack like this way. Then you quick turn your body, go to this side. You adjust your step and you're blocking your left and your right hand go attack like this way and you go jumping attack. Then you step your right and both hands and go attack. Quick stand up and you turn this way. You adjust your step, your left and your right hand 45 attack. And you step your right 45, your left hand 45 attack. And you step your left straight, both hands from your waist and go cross front. And you quick twist, become horse stance. You stand up to make a inside kick and you're landing this way. You turning your both hand and you go left side and you just sit on your right foot. You got quick stand up, you go stop your right, you go knee lift and both hands go attack this way. And quick landing and you make a high straight kick and you quick attack right this side. And after that, you quick stand up, both hands back to your waist, go to your shoulder and front, and fit together, come back your waist, and your hands down, and bow. This is the whole form of the Dragon Kung Fu style. So really important, you gotta follow the directions. Mostly we have 4 small sections. So the directions were go left and right this way. So you gotta remember all directions and how to connect. So your dragon claw just between the tiger claw and then the eagle claw, tight and strong, like both sides this way. And also your body like a snake, move freely, and right like and twist. Then your heel is the key to twist and to generate more power, and your shoulder and your head up, the power, the power. Follow me to do the whole form with the full speed. Thank you for watching for the Lesson 6 Dragon Kung Fu style. You might have a question, are we done for Dragon Kung Fu style? No. Yeah, there have more Dragon Kung Fu style videos coming in the future. So, I see you in next video. Take care, my friend. I love you all. Bye-bye.